Hey, welcome to the video. Let's talk about why XRP has surged 35+% in July and why it's happening and some reasons for it. A couple of them you may not be aware of, and what's next for XRP coin holders as we roll into August and where we kind of see what's going to happen in September. So maybe we'll do a little bitty small XRP price prediction. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. Do two things: hit that like button, hit that subscribe button below, and let's get into this. By hitting that like and subscribe below, you're telling me you're going to continue to make XRP content for you, and that helps me to kind of navigate these waters. Okay, so XRP shines in July with 35% plus surge. Let's see kind of where we're at right now. The overall crypto market down 1 point. We continue this kind of gradual move down that we've seen in the last 36 to 48 hours, where there's a lot of uncertainty and volatility. The fear and greed index is still sitting at a 58. I feel like it's actually a little bit lower than that, in my personal opinion, but that's where the number is. We got XRP down 6.5+%, kind of continuing to give back a little bit of those gains. And if you kind of look at the 7-day, you can see we've had this kind of sell off, this move down, continue to move down from that high of 65 cents approximately, where we're down now in the 57-cent range. Okay, so, and I'll talk about kind of where I think we're going to be going here in just a minute. So there's been a lot of discussion around, obviously, XRP Ledger, things of that nature. Well, there seems to be a dramatic uptick in XRPL wallets being created. I think there's some growing interest in that. So that's something, the network growth, well, transactions have also played a crucial role in XRPL. So that's something that I think is kind of underpinning all of this. So that's interesting. And XRP's increased liquidity. So XRP traders responded positively to the market sentiment, bringing unusual levels of liquidity. A crypto quant chart tracks total number of coins held on trading platforms and exchange hosted wallets. Okay, so include XRP liquidity going up. I think that this is a big one right here. Ripple is tokenizing treasury bills. This is an article, kind of a piece of content that broke just recently. It's talking about the fact that Open Eden is looking to introduce tokenized U.S. Treasury bills on the XRP Ledger, and Ripple themselves are going to do a 10 million contribution to this initiative. This initiative aims to enhance an institutional access to decentralized finance by converting real-world assets (RWA) into digital tokens. This is something that is big. Okay, if you don't even really understand what this is, what you need to know is this is big. This is it's big. It's a massive scenario. Okay. And so that's something that I think is really, really, really good. Now, also kind of what I think was leading in, now moving on to the next thing, I think what we also had was we had maybe some anticipation of a possible settlement, or, basically being done with the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. I think that that's part of the reason we saw this sell off from that high of 65 cents to this, is that did not happen. The SEC canceling on some meetings with Ripple executives, things of this nature. That's continuing to be a narrative that's out there, guys, where it's not going to go away anytime soon. I think that the Ripple SEC lawsuit will most likely be settled by the end of this year. That's my opinion. There's some people that I follow that talk about this, and they're kind of the same mindset. And so I think if we do get a settlement to that, I think all bets are off, and we'll see XRP shoot up north of $1. In fact, even maybe into the $2 range. I think that's a very mild, modest XRP price prediction that we can see kind of how that plays out from there. So bottom line, I think there's multiple factors contributing to the recent run up of 35+%, which was nice because I'm an XRP holder, probably just like you. And so it's nice to see my wallet XRP holdings finally going back up in the right direction, right? Okay, so increased liquidity, XRPL transactions going up, whale transactions. We've also got the tokenization of U.S. Treasury bills initiative, potentially out there talking about that. But ultimately kind of offsetting that a little bit, I think some of this pullback that we've seen recently is this SEC Ripple thing that continues to be a thing. All right, so that's all I got for you right now. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.